Sairam students, and welcome to this session. Today we'll be discussing about the English assignment that you have to submit. This is part of your internal assessment. Now let's just go through some of the instructions that you need to remember while writing these assignments. It is compulsory for each and every student to submit the assignment on time. Each of you have to submit this on time. This assignment is a part of your internal assessment and it carries 10 marks. So to get these marks, you need to submit this assignment on time. There are 2 questions to be attempted by each student. Each question carrying 5 marks each. Okay. So 2 questions you need to attempt, and basically it comes from the writing skills part. So each of you have to attempt these 2 questions. You need to attempt the questions according to your division given. That is, there are questions according to your division, that is division A, B, C. Accordingly, there are certain questions given out here. So accordingly, you need to answer the questions. You will not interchange your questions. That is, the division A students will not attempt C or D questions. If you do so, you will not get those marks that are allotted. So be very careful. Students can do their assignments in either their school assignment sheets or the foolscap paper or A4 size paper that is available with them. On the first page, students will have to write their name, class division, roll number, the SID number and the subject. The SID number is very important. Each of you take a note that you need to write this out clearly in your assignments. The entire assignment has to be sent as one PDF file. You will not send PDFs of single sheets. The entire assignment, which has both the questions answered, you will be sending it as one PDF file. The submission date for the assignment is 19th August 2020 before 8 p.m. So you have to submit this by 19th before 8 o'clock. If you don't, your assignments will not be accepted and you will lose your marks. So students, see to it that you submit them on time. The name of the PDF file must be as given below. You have to write your name, underscore, the class division, underscore, the roll number, underscore and the subject. So I've given you an example out here, like you have Rahul Pawar, underscore 9th C. It could be 9th C, 9th D accordingly. Your roll number and the subject here being English. You just have to write ENG and this file name you give to your PDF and send it across accordingly. I hope you are clear with this. Now let's begin with the assignments. The question 1 is about the formal letter. There are letters, the questions based on formal letter. Now this particular question that I'll be reading out is for only 9th A and 9th B. Only the students of 9th A and 9th B will be attempting this particular question of formal letter. The question here is, you are Rohan Rohini, a resident of B 402 Park Avenue, Mumbai 400509. The number of thefts in the area in recent days has risen significantly. The residents thus are not feeling safe even during the daytime. Write a letter to the police in charge of your area, requesting them to increase the patrolling in the area and ensure the safety of the residents. This is kind of a complaint letter which you are writing. So follow the format that is given already earlier to you. Accordingly, you will answer this question. So this question is for 9th A and 9th B. Now this particular question is for 9th C, 9th D and 9th E. All the three divisions will attempt this as their first question. You are Aditi or Aditya, the Cultural Secretary of Trinity International School, Mumbai, 400609. Write a letter to Messrs. Wave Musical Private Limited, Mumbai, placing an order for musical instruments required for the school's musical club. So this is an order letter. So accordingly, whatever is required in an order letter, the format needs to be followed and you have to attempt this question. Now for the classes 9th F and 9th G. This is the particular question under your formal letter. Write a letter to the editor of a national daily expressing your opinion and views on the increased human dependence on technology. Right from a small child to an adult or even an old man, everyone wants gadgets, only cell phone, iPods, laptops, etc. This also has a negative effect on personal health. You are Anuradha, a famous writer who also works towards the welfare of society. So here you are writing to the editor. Again, this is done earlier. So following the format, you are going to attempt this letter. So students, I hope you are clear with what each division is supposed to do. You have to use the format appropriately and answer this particular question, which is the first question. Now let's move to the second one. The second question deals with either story writing or article writing. Now here classes 9th A and 9th B have story writing. So here the question goes, write a story based on following clues in about 150 to 200 words and give a suitable title. So you have certain clues given here. Based on that, you have to write the story. This is for only 9th A and 9th B. This is the clue given. There lived a merchant in Basra, felt hungry, ate bread and a date. Through the stone of the date, a jinn appeared, threatened to kill because the stone of the date killed his son. He raised his arm to strike him with a sword, told the jinn, had to pay debts, settle the property issue, say goodbye to wife and family, pledged to come back. Jinn liberated the merchant, came back to the jinn as promised. Jinn impressed, liberated him, gave lots of gold in bargain. So using these clues, you have to develop a short story in the format given to you earlier and give a suitable title. Now for the classes 9th C, 9th D and 9th E, you have article writing as your second question. So you are Karan or Karuna, a member of the school magazine club. Taking the help of the points given below, write an article for your school magazine in about 100 to 120 words on how to get the best out of a team. So you are going to write an article using the different points that are mentioned below here. This particular topic is only for 9th C, D and E. What are the points given here? Working in a team, healer and stress buster. Everybody works towards a common goal. Effective communication between team members. Strong leadership. Avoid conflicts. Focus on goals. Respect for others. Avoid negativity. Set good examples. So here, following the format taught to you for article writing, you have to write this particular article using these points. And for classes 9th F and 9th G, again there is a story. You will write a story with the beginning given below in about 150 to 200 words, and you will give a suitable title. So in this, the beginning of the story is given. You have to continue it and develop a story as taught to you. So here, what is the beginning? I peeked at my watch. It was exactly 12 midnight. I missed the last bus home, and hence I had walked for almost an hour. Thank God the home was just a few kilometers away. Suddenly, so now here it's left. Now you have to develop the story after this in the prescribed format and give a suitable title to your story. So I hope students, you're clear with what your questions are. Do the questions according to the division only. Also, you need to write the questions down in your assignment before you answer them. Also, see to it that you submit your assignments on time before 8 o'clock on 19th August. So I'm sure students, you are understood what your assignments are, and be very sincere to submit these so that you score your marks. Now this is just a reminder for you that please start working on your project, that is digitalization in India, so that you could get your marks that are prescribed for the same. Thank you.